Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this puzzle page of the weekend edition, January Saturday, January the 13th, Sunday, January the 14th, 2024. In this puzzle page we have in this puzzle page I've already done 3 puzzles: the 3 stars Sudoku, the killer Sudoku, and a binary. So 1 puzzle is left, and that's the Jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku number 7795. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16, so I think it's a 1 or a 2 stars puzzle. For 1 star, need to be faster than 15 minutes. For 2 stars, I need 15 to 20 minutes. We'll see if this is a 2 star or a 1 star puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? A box is because the single box is always a 1. There ain't any single boxes here in this Jigsaw Sudoku. How about dual boxes? See here, dual box contains the 1 and 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes here. Also, the 1 and 2, I do not know in which order. How about triple boxes? I see here only 1 triple box contains the 1, the 2, and 3. Well, this box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. And the other 2 numbers could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5, but we already have a 5 here in the same area, so this box should be a 4 then. More triple boxes? Nope. How about quadra boxes? See here, quadra box contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, those numbers, I cannot fill this yet. Insufficient information right now. More quadra boxes? No. Then my following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Well, let me take this shape. Same shape, but upside down. Alright. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here we have another one. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2 here. Alright, do we have more? Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. This case is a 1 or a 2 there. More? No. Then the following shape. How about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box, and this box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright. The T shape, only 1 T shape in this puzzle. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Rotated. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Alright, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here only 3 shapes: figures, structures, or constructions. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we've only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left with 4 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be 4. That box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, these 2 boxes can be 5. That box can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Well. This box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there in this area. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place 1 here or there, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 in this quadra box could be here, could be there. Alright. This box can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left. The 1 and the 2. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 1. 1 box left in this dual box for number 2. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1. We have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be 1. So 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. This box can be 3. That box can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5. Let me mark those. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. So 1 box left for 3 in this T-shaped area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for 2 in this T-shaped area. Should be there. Is connected with that box. Should be also 2. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5 is connected with that box. Should be also 1 and the 5. But we already have a 5 here. So it can't be 5 anymore. This box should be a 1 then. Is connected with that box. Should be also 1. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 5. 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there. So no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. This box can be 4. That box can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. Alright, these 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. This box can be 3. This box can be 1. So the 1 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Is connected with that box, should be so 1 or a 3. But I cannot place the 1 here because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 3. Is connected with that box, should be also 3. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 4. 1 and the 2, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also 1. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 5 goes there. Let me see. I think this box should be a 4. Because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and the 3. That means we have a double 1 there, double 3 there. So the double 1 and the double 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair in this quadra box. The other pair should be the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, okay. Let me think. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. Those 2 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. Those 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 could be here, could be there. Well, 2 numbers left in this area for almost 4 and a 5. Let me mark those. These 2 boxes can be 3. Those 2 boxes can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes, round 1 can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Overlook this 4. We already have a 4 here. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 now, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and I've eliminated here the 3. So the 3 goes there. Okay. And now I need to wait here. Need those numbers here. Well, I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 1 and 5, and the 3 is missing here. This box can be a 3. We have a double 3 there, so the 3 could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 4. Well. 2, 3. Come on, I'm stuck here. Need to think. 1. Well, I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1. We have a double 1 there. Can be 2. Can be 3. Should be a 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Okay. I need a 1 here. This box can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. I need a 5 here. This box can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, this box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. Can be 2, can be 3. We have a double 3 there. So 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5 here. Well, I'm stuck. This box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Well. Overlook something. Yes, I overlooked this one. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have already a 1 here. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. Okay, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there, so 1 digit left in this area for number 2. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there, so 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 4 or a 5, we already have a 5 there, so this box should be a 4. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left with 1 in this L-shaped area should be there, and I've eliminated there the 3, so the 3 goes there. 3 and a 1, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, the 3 goes there, and the final number in this L-shaped area for number 5. Finished in 30 minutes. Well, we solved it again, faster than 50 minutes, definitely a 1 star, maybe a 0 stars. And I like this one, yes I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again tomorrow on Sunday. So have a great and fantastic Saturday. Until then, bye bye for now.